Okay, hi guys. Now I'm gonna help you to review the dialogue and vocabulary. Bây giờ cô sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn đọc lại bài hội thoại cũng như là phần từ vựng nhé. Unit 6. Where's your school? This is my cousin Jack. He's in London. Hello Jack. Nice to meet you. I'm Phong. Phong and I study in the same school. Phong and I study in the same school. What's the name of your school? What's the name of your school? Nguyễn Du Primary School. Where's your school? It's in Nguyễn Du Street, in Hanoi. What about you, Jack? What's the name of your school? Oxford Primary School. It's in Oxford Street. Oxford Primary School. Oxford Street. Oxford Street. Hoa Binh Road. Hoa Binh Road. Bát Tràng Village. Bát Tràng Village. Hoàn Kiếm District. Hoàn Kiếm District. Hoàn Kiếm District. Chúng ta cùng nhau chuyển sang lesson 2 các bạn nha. Hello Phong, where are you going? I'm going to school, Judy. Where's your school? It's in Nguyễn Du Street. What class are you in? I'm in class 4A. What class are you in? I'm in class. What class is he in? He's in class 3C. What class is she in? She's in class 4A. Đó, các bạn mình chăm chỉ luyện tập nhé. Bye bye guys.